If you've been following GoPro lately, you already know things just got a whole lot more interesting. For years, the Hero line was the GoPro. It was the camera. Everyone from surfers to skydivers to family vacation dads had one. But recently, GoPro dropped something completely different, the Mission 1 Pro. And now a lot of people are asking the same question. What exactly is the difference, and which one should you actually buy? Let's break it all down. First, let's talk about what these cameras are designed for. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is an action camera. That's its DNA. It's rugged, it's compact, it's designed to go wherever you go, strapped to a helmet, mounted on a surfboard, clipped to a bike. It's the camera you grab when you're doing something intense and you want to capture it without thinking too much. The Mission 1 Pro is something else entirely. GoPro themselves call it a compact cinema camera. It's built for creators who need serious image quality, filmmakers, content professionals, people who are delivering footage that needs to stand up next to dedicated cinema rigs. It's not trying to replace the Hero 13, it's trying to compete in a completely different league. That distinction matters a lot when we get into the specs. Let's start with the sensor, because this is where the two cameras diverge dramatically. The Hero 13 Black uses a 1.19-inch sensor. It captures 27 megapixels and shoots in an 8:7 aspect ratio, which gives you flexibility to reframe in post. It's a very capable sensor for an action camera. It performs well in decent light, and GoPro has done a great job extracting strong video quality from it over the years. The Mission 1 Pro uses a 1-inch sensor at 50 megapixels. That's not a small upgrade, that's a fundamentally different class of imaging hardware. The 1-inch sensor is significantly larger than what's in the Hero 13, which means more light gathering ability, more dynamic range, and more detail. This is the kind of sensor you'd find in high-end compact cameras from Sony or Panasonic. It's genuinely impressive, and GoPro has paired it with their brand new GP3 processor to get the most out of it. If image quality is your primary concern, the Mission 1 Pro is in a different conversation entirely. Here's where things get wild. The Hero 13 Black tops out at 5.3K at 60 frames per second. It also does 4K at 120 frames per second and 2.7K at 240 for slow motion. And it has that burst slow-mo mode that can hit 400 frames per second at 720p. For an action camera, that's genuinely excellent. The Mission 1 Pro goes to 8K at 60 frames per second. It also shoots 4K at 240 FPS and 810 at 960 for slow motion. It captures 8K and 4K in open gate mode, meaning it uses the full 4:3 sensor area, giving you maximum data to work with in post-production. You can reframe from a single 8K file into a widescreen cinematic cut, a vertical social clip, or pull high-resolution stills, all from the original recording. That's a workflow capability that the Hero 13 simply can't match. Both cameras have excellent stabilization, and this is one area where the Hero 13 holds its own strongly. The Hero 13 Black features Hypersmooth 6.0. It includes Auto Boost, which intelligently increases stabilization intensity when it detects heavy movement. It also has full horizon leveling, even with 360-degree camera rotation. For action sports footage, this is among the best stabilization systems in the world. The Mission 1 Pro also has Hypersmooth built in, with the same quality you'd expect from GoPro at this price point. Worth noting, the Pro ILS version, which has an interchangeable micro 4/3 lens mount, still supports Hypersmooth stabilization with any compatible rectilinear prime lens. That's a remarkable engineering achievement. If you're going into the water, both cameras have you covered, but the Mission 1 Pro actually goes deeper. The Hero 13 Black is waterproof to 10 meters or 33 feet without any housing. That's great for surfing, swimming, snorkeling, rain, and general outdoor use. The Mission 1 Pro pushes that to 20 meters or 66 feet, also without a housing. If you're diving, that extra depth rating is meaningful. GoPro has even built a dedicated dive mode into the Mission 1 series, with underwater-tuned color science and stabilization optimized for aquatic environments. One caveat, the Mission 1 Pro ILS version trades waterproofing because of the exposed lens mount, so if you're going underwater, you want the standard Mission 1 Pro with the fixed lens. This is a category where the Mission 1 Pro pulls ahead decisively. The Hero 13 Black records standard audio and supports Bluetooth connectivity for AirPods and other wireless audio devices. That's genuinely useful and convenient. The Mission 1 Pro records 32-bit float audio. If you're not familiar with that term, it essentially means you can't clip your audio. 32-bit float recording captures such a wide dynamic range that you can recover audio that would be destroyed by clipping in standard recording. For serious video production, this is a major deal. It's the kind of audio capability you'd expect from dedicated field recorders, not action cameras. The Hero 13 Black has front and rear LCD screens, which is standard for GoPro's flagship action cameras. The Mission 1 Pro upgrades the rear screen to a 2.5-inch OLED display, plus a front status screen. OLED means better contrast, better color accuracy, and better visibility in bright sunlight, all important when you're reviewing footage and making decisions on location. Here's the practical reality. The Hero 13 Black launched at $499. You can frequently find it at lower prices now that it's been on the market since 2024. The Mission 1 Pro is $699.99 MSRP, or $599 if you're an existing GoPro subscriber. That's a $300 difference at standard retail, and it reflects everything you're getting with that larger sensor, higher resolution, cinema-grade audio, and deeper waterproofing. Is the extra $300 worth it? That completely depends on what you're making. So, which one should you get? If you're an action sports creator, you surf, you ski, you ride bikes, you skydive, and you want camera that keeps up with you, is light enough to forget about, and produces great footage that goes straight to your phone and then to YouTube or Instagram, the Hero 13 Black is the right camera. It's proven, it's capable, and it's great value. If you're a filmmaker, a professional content creator, a documentary shooter, or anyone who needs footage that can stand up in a professional edit, if you care about things like 8K open gate, 10-bit color, 32-bit float audio, and serious low-light performance, the Mission 1 Pro is worth every extra dollar. These two cameras aren't really competing with each other. The Hero 13 is asking, how do I capture my adventure? The Mission 1 Pro is asking, how do I make something cinematic? GoPro built both. Now it's on you to decide which question you're actually trying to answer. If you found this comparison helpful, hit subscribe. Drop a comment below. Are you going for Mission 1 Pro, sticking with the Hero 13? Let's talk about it.